Okay. So my name is Himanshu Modi, and I'm the technical director for the company. And here we are there for the presentation for the product Secura. We are going to showcase you our product Secura Guard. Okay. Our company is UK based, and in our company we have a different ventures. Like we have a hotels in Goa, resorts in Goa, Dudhsagar Spa Resort and Baywatch Resort. We also have retreats in Goa, which is into wellness and yoga retreats. Okay. We also have a magazine called Your Wellness, and we also have our means we started our technology company in 2011, and this company is more than 15-year old now. Okay. Basically, this development we have done in India only. Even our company is UK based, but most of the development and companies work is going into India only. Okay. Now, for this product, the mindset was okay. So before I start our product vision, I want to ask a question to all of you, Mr. Bharat, Mr. Anil, Mr. Avnish, Mr. Madan. Uh, are your data is in your control? Your data is in your control, sir?
What do you want to know specifically as under control?
No. Means data is in under control means your employees there in your organization. Are they allowed to copy forward anything with your data?
Mine is a one-man show, and I am doing all the data entries as well as whatever
Okay.
work. Since I have nobody at the moment,
yeah,
I don't have this problem. But then yes, I would like to keep it secure. That's the idea.
perfect, good. What about others, sir? Hello, Mr. Avnish. Mr. Avnish, you there? Mr. Avnish? Mr. Bharat, Bhavesh, Madan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are your data is in your control, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is your data is in your control means nobody in your organization can copy your data and theft the data? Are you 100% sure, sir?
No, we have to see, sir.
Yeah. So basically, that's our see. That's the problem with the digital world. So let me give you the answer here. So the problem with our digital world is that just hold on. Okay. The problem with our digital world is that whatever the data you generate in your organization is not in your control. Why? Because the data is in front of you. You think that data is in front of you, but in the digital world, people can make multiple copies of your data. And that's the biggest issue right now. Like in physical world or real world, you have a physical data in front of you, like files are there in front of you. Suppose somebody want to tap, that file should not be available at that time, right? So that means you know that somebody has taken this file. But in your digital world, in the background, people are making multiple copies of your data. You don't know how many copies of your data will be generated. And that's the biggest issue. And that's the reason we say that currently your data is not in your control. And our product, our mission is to put you back in control of your data. Okay. That's our product mission. Now, what we are going to provide you in the Secura Guard. So we are going to provide you the purpose of the Secura Guard to protect your data, and we provide you 5 major benefits with our product. Okay, thief proof means your data, nobody will be able to theft your data, even your staff or hackers or any people, because we provide you a proper protection in your data. I will show you in the product demo so you can understand. We also provide you safeguard from the mistakes and disasters. Suppose your device might get lost, means if you are using laptop and your laptop might get lost or might be get corrupted, hard disk might get corrupted, or ransomware attack might happen, your data is safe here. You don't have to worry about the data because your data is safe here in Secura Guard. We also provide you secret and invisible mode, which means that any data in your company is there, which you can put in the secret area. We provide you a secret or private area in which you can protect your data, put your data, which is not, you don't want other people to see. You can put that data inside the private area, and private area password is different. Local normal password is different. So you don't have to worry about that thing actually. Okay. Then we also provide you intruder proof. Intruder proof means any person will log in with your wrong password in your device, you will get alert. Suppose somebody wants to start the tally. When they start the tally with the wrong password, you will get alert. Means because tally will start from our application. We also provide you the block device multiple attempts. Means suppose you can block the people if they enter the wrong password 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, you can configure that options in your in the SecureGuard. And you can also use the burn device option. So for example, I'm working on your data. I'm using my own computer for your, and you want to that, okay, now your data should be, means that person should be blocked. You can block that person. And if I have using my personal computer also, you don't have to worry because your data is safe here. Okay, so they won't able to do anything with your data. Okay, we also provide you spying to means security from the spying tools. Spying tool means suppose some tools are there, which what they do generally, they check, they make multiple they record your activity, whatever the activity you are doing, they record. Okay, so you don't have to worry about in Secura, because in Secura they won't able to do anything with your data. Okay, because in Secura we provide you screen share, screen sharing, all these protection we provide. So before I start the product presentation, I want to ask a question to everyone. What do you think, what do you see this is the product will able to provide you a security? Means you think that the product you're looking for?
Can I speak?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. My name is Vikram.
Yeah.
And, I need to know. Right now, my company, they work in the.
Hello. Mr. Vikram, can you speak loud because we can't hear you? Mr. Vikram? Hello?
Mr.
Hello?
Vikram just lost his voice, sir. He's
Yeah.
not audible.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now audible, sir. My
Yes,
voice
yes.
is audible.
Yes, 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 sir. It's audible, sir.
I'm sorry. There is some signal problem.
No problem. No
Sir,
problem.
I
It's a
need to
concern.
know.
Hmm.
My organization, they are working the server.
Yeah.
So this product will work in server or safer wise in Tally and other documents.
Okay, so this product will work. We have a multiple products, sir. So we not only have SecureGuard, we also have a Secura Work product, which is which is providing a full security, data security, sir. Okay, so here I'm just highlighting the tally related things right now. But we have a product where you can see all type of data should be secure, sir. All type of data will be secure. Even your data is in our server, you can secure the data, sir, here. Okay. Yeah, I will show you right now the product so you can understand the product, sir. And can you explain me your requirement later on? So I will answer you in a better way, sir, because I need to understand what is your actual requirement, what you are doing, sir. So I can give you the answer on that, sir.
No problem.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So now anybody has question? Mr. Anil, you have a question, right? Please ask the question now, sir. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Anil Anand here. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible, sir.
See, I have a agency which comes online right on any desk and files my sales tax return.
Okay.
Now the data that we have on Tally, as you said, is going to be secure.
Yes, sir.
But when he is working on my screen for
Yes.
anything else, for filing of these returns,
Yes.
is there any way that it can be copied or it will be secure from that also?
That also, sir. It will be secure from that also, sir.
Okay. And I had another question in mind.
Yes, sir.
I think I didn't jot it down. Okay, I'll come back to it as you go ahead. This was one thing I wanted to know.
Yes, sir.
And when you said multiple products, other than Tally, now
Yes.
we might have data stored in various other forms,
Yes.
which are actually from Tally, but the reports which have been generated and sent to our principals and others.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So
That
if I have that in Excel format or maybe a Word document or whatever, if I
perfect.
just create a
Perfect.
single, if I create a single folder for the financial year,
Right, sir.
will all that be taken care of, or it will just take care of Tally alone?
Sir, any data.
Any data. So
Any data. I'm just highlighting Tally. Why? Because see, people majorly looking for the Tally data security. That's the reason I'm highlighting here Tally data, but you can secure any data. I will show you so you can understand. You have some knowledge, sir, computer knowledge, so you can understand easily, sir.
I don't know. I am doing the data entry and the other thing at my
Yeah,
end.
yeah. Then you can understand. So you will understand better way, sir. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any more question, anybody? So shall we start the product presentation?
Please do, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Just hold on. I'm just allowing my screen to share because in my screen it's not shared, but just hold on.
Mr. Himanshu, your screen is not visible to us.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm just sharing my screen. Just hold on, sir. I'm just starting my application in the viewable mode, sir. You can see my screen, sir.
Yeah, now I can.
Okay, good, sir. Okay. So our product is Secura. I will start my Secura product now. Can you see or can you see as a blank screen now? Or you can see my product?
We can see Secura work.
Okay, good. Good. It will start. Just one. Okay. So you can see the login screen. I enter the password now. And just hold on. Can you see my screen?
Deck. Yes.
Good. Okay, so you can see this blank screen manager. Why? Because I need to show you the product. That's the reason I disabled the blank screen manager. So in Secura, we provide a cloud edition. We provide you instant messaging solutions. We also provide you Secura File Explorer. I will show you this many modules, and I will also show you the Tally mode, Tally data security and settings also. Okay. So just hold on. Let me allow you to show my screen. You can see when I did and allow you to see my screen, you can see the modules, each and every modules now, right? You can see the modules, right? Okay. So now in the settings modules, what we provide here. Okay. Activate folder lock. Okay. You can see activate folder lock module. Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Somebody should answer me because I'm not out because sometimes it happens that it's not visible. That's the reason. Okay. So you can review now, right? Okay. Okay. So normally, hello. Normally the data folder lies like this. Tally data folder like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to secure this folder, right? So what we have provided in folder lock option, I need to go to the folder lock. I need to add which folder I want to secure. As I told you that you can secure any folder. Now I'm just showing you, I'm just adding the Tally folder now, Tally data folder. Okay. Can you see the Tally data folder?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. And you can see I'm just enabling and a mark as a hidden now from our application. Okay, I mark it as a hidden now.
Okay.
Now you can see this data folder doesn't exist at all in your computer. You can see the error. Check the spelling and try again.
Okay.
Okay, so what we do, your folder is there, but in your operating system, what we do, we mark this folder doesn't exist at all. Nobody will be able to find the folder is there in your computer. First thing is that. Even in the DOS command prompt, because some people might be aware about the technical knowledge, I will show you. You see, element not found.
Okay. Okay.
So now you will ask me that how Tally will work, right? This Tally application will work, right? Right, sir? So what we have done here, we provide you the feature called program. Okay, we provide you the feature called program where you can add the application which you want to allow to access to the Tally data. I'm adding the Tally application now. Okay, I'm adding the Tally application now. I've added the Tally application. I've not enabled Tally application to view. So you can see when I go to the select folder, it's not allowing me to view the Tally data, right? Now, when I allow access to the Tally to access the data, now you can see I'm able to view the data in the Tally application, but still I'm not able to view the data folder outside the Tally application. You can see this. Even in the DOS command prompt, you can see the element not found. Sorry. You can see element not found. So what we have done here, we have locked the folder in such a way that only the application which you want to allow, that only the application will be able to view the data folder only and access the data folder. So you allow the Tally application. That's the reason Tally application will be able to access the data folder. Now what we have also done here, one more feature we have added here. Like what we have done, the data which is there in your Tally application, you want to upload on the cloud server. So what we do here, we provide a 5 GB cloud space for your Tally application per user. So for example, you are using a 5 user license, then you will get 25 GB data on the cloud space, and which is good enough because the Tally application files are maximum 10 MB, 15 MB or maximum 20 MB. Okay. So now I'm enabling the Tally mode now in front of you. When I do the enabling of the Tally application, okay.
Himanshu sir, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Can you please start the Tally mode once again because your voice was not audible.
Okay. So what I did here, when I enable the Tally mode, I'm enabling the Tally mode now. Can you see? I'm enabling the Tally mode. What the Tally mode is doing, whatever the data in your computer is there, we upload on the encrypted format, we upload on the cloud server. The data will be in your control, not in any other's control. So what we do here, you can see in that Secura Cloud, your data will be uploaded here. I will show you. Now you can see the data, zip file is uploaded with the Secura extension. So all these files have a Secura extension, means your data is secure now. Okay. Now still my data is there because it's still uploading. Okay. So when you start the Tally from outside, it will not work. But when you do the Tally data, what you need to do, you need to start the Tally from here in Secura application. So the advantage here is, like currently your Tally application, anybody can access, anybody can use, but no, now what you need to do, you need to access the Tally application from the Secura only. Okay. So that type of security we provide in the Tally data. So even your people are working from Anydesk. Okay. They won't able to view your data folder. You can see this data folder doesn't exist at all. Okay. And that's the beauty of our application. Nobody will be able to find out the data, where is the data actually. Okay. Even in the multi-user environment, we provide the data security here also, in the LAN and networking also. Okay. So anybody has a question now? First about the Tele data security. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, you mentioned about the data being uploaded on the cloud, right?
Yes, sir.
And that means the data is only available on cloud, or is it also available on my own server? If I am having a LAN over here.
Okay. So
Am
what
I-
you can do? Yes, yes, sir. So you have a server means what server? You already have a cloud server, sir?
No, no, I am having a system which are connected through the modem as
Yes.
a LAN.
Hmm.
I have two individual silver license of Tele.
Yes.
And in case the other user wants to use, he is able to use, and the data is stored in one of the places, which probably you call as server.
Yeah.
Now, in case I am working here on my server in the office,
Yes.
and as you said, the data is saved on cloud.
Right.
So every time we access only through cloud, right? Through secure.
Right, sir. Through Secura, through cloud, sir. Yes, sir. So
And
whatever the data is there in the cloud, sir, it will be downloaded first in your
The
computer.
the person who is using a different system,
Yes.
which is on LAN,
Yeah.
will he be able to access?
Yes, sir.
So I mean, in two different users of this different licenses who are connected through LAN in
Yes.
this office can
Yes.
access data simultaneously, or is it going to be individually?
Okay. So first two scenarios. Let me explain you. Good question, sir. Good question. Okay. So first thing, the data right now, it's downloaded in your local computer first. Okay.
Yes.
So if you want to work simultaneously, suppose you are working in the same office, like in the same network, then you don't have to worry about the multiple people can work on the same file.
Okay.
Okay. If you are
Okay.
working in the office environment, but if
Okay.
you are working from home, for example, if you are working from home, okay, in that
Yes.
type of scenario, in that type of scenario, then what then you can work simultaneously on the same file because that file is open in the office only right now. That person
Okay.
should need to close the file, okay, and close the tally, and then other person will be able to work on that file.
I think I will need to repeat my question.
Yeah.
Now we are having two systems with two different licenses,
Yes.
and both are connected through LAN.
Yes.
My data is on one of my systems, which we call the server.
Yes.
Now, when I take up your software and the thing is loaded into your cloud, Secura cloud,
Right.
so I will be accessing Tally only through Secura cloud. Am I right?
Yes. Yes. Pro Secure Cloud. Perfect.
So obviously, the other person also who is on LAN at the same premises,
Yeah.
can he also log in while I am logged in?
Yes. Yes. He can also log in.
He can also log in while I
Yes.
have logged in, right?
Yes. Yes. In the same premises.
From home. No, if I'm from home, do I
Home you
need to
can.
have, now
Okay.
do I need to have a separate license,
You need
or
okay. Okay. Additional device license only.
I can straight away log in into Secura from my home on whichever device and then start working?
Okay. Wait, sir. So let me explain you. You can use the same licenses, but you need to additional device license you need to buy, which is not cost more.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
need to buy an additional device license, sir.
So if I have two which are at the moment connected through LAN,
Yes.
I shift one to my residence.
Yes.
That is an independent license.
Yeah.
This is
but
also
yes.
this
Yes.
is a, this also is a current independent license. Since I do not have a co-worker doing any job at the moment,
yes.
can I just simply surrender that license in this device and fix whatever you call it as fix it on the device that I have at home? So again, we will be having two different individual licenses. Like it is just like my data being available on Secura and I being able to log in from a third device. Just for simple example, which has a license, Tally license.
Okay.
So let me just put it more easily. If you are having Tally license, I am having a Tally license.
Right.
My data is on Secura and I am now sitting in your office.
Right.
I
Understood.
want to access my data, which is on Secura Cloud.
Right.
So can I log in through your device?
Okay, first let me tell you. If you are using the same licenses in two different devices, you can.
No, if there are two different licenses, for the matter that you are having a separate license, I am having a separate license. Am I
But
right?
that file should be shared with each other or not?
Yeah, if it is here, I am not actually sharing it with anybody else. The idea is now that lockdowns are there, our
Yes.
working hours are curtailed. So we are not able to do certain clerical work in terms of passing entries, whether they are debit or credit, receipts or payments during the regular working hours. Mine is a shop. Let me first try to explain you. It is not a office kind of a thing. I am a shopkeeper, or you can call it a businessman who has walk-in customers. People are across the table. I am raising their invoices on Tally. So there is certain backlog which I need to carry home because of the curtailed working hours. Now I want to get back home and do that work because I cannot
Understood.
keep my office open, a shop open, or you call it an office or shop. I cannot keep it open beyond those hours.
Understood.
But my work is incomplete. I have time at home, so I would like to do that maybe on a weekend or whatever time. So
Yes.
can I access having
The
two
same
different
data.
licenses?
Yes. Yes, you can.
So I will need to surrender the license on that device which is lying in my office and put it on my device at home. Am I right?
Yes, but what you can see, first thing, you don't have to surrender every time. So that's the reason what we have done here.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, so what we have done for the simple solution that you can add the additional device license, which is not costing much more. It's a cheaper license.
How does it work out with the thing?
Okay, so it's like same number you need to log.
Is it through Secura or is it through Tally?
It's to Secura only. Secura
No.
only, sir.
The additional device thing is from your end.
No, wait. You are asking about the handover of the license of the Tally or Secura, first thing, sir.
No, I am only asking about working on the Tally. If I am having a Secura thing, I take up your what do you call software, and I am having this data uploaded on Secura Cloud.
Right.
Now I am getting back home.
Right.
I want to do certain work which I have not been able to complete during my working hours.
Perfect.
So
Understood.
now how do I access my data and work on Tally from my home?
Okay, so first thing is that Tally, you have a two Tally license or single Tally license?
I have two licenses, individual licenses.
Perfect, then no problem.
They are in two different names. That is why I used your office, if you would understand.
No problem. It's so Tally license doesn't have any problem because see Tally important is the data is the important, sir.
Okay, that is what.
Yeah, so data is important, sir.
So how do I access? Do I have to surrender this license and use that permanently at the device that is at home, or I can still access by just going through Secura? That is what I want to know.
You can do access for going through Secura only directly.
No, Secura only is one thing because it is on Secura, sir. What I mean is, do I need to transfer this license to that device which I am at home? That is what I am asking you.
No, not needed.
Not needed. Yeah, that is right. That's what I want to clarify.
No, not needed.
Okay. So on my system at home, if I only have downloaded Tally as a software and I don't have the license, how do I work? I can simply go into through Secura.
For Tally license you require.
I must have Tally license. I must have at that device. No, that is what I am asking you.
Yeah. For Secura you can work on the also, no problem, sir.
No, sir. I think you are still not able to get me. Do I need to surrender the device license which I am using on the second device in my office and put it in my
no, sir. It will run parallelly.
Okay, fine. Thank you. I think I have. Yes, I think I have not been able to put it rightly. Fine. I now take up your word. Maybe I will ask for a demo of that.
Yes, sure, sir.
Take decision. Yeah. Yes, sir. We can proceed again.
No problem, sir.
You may move ahead, sir. With anything else?
No, basically we want to show you first though that the license means like you can protect your Tally data. You can see now I can't see the protected means data of my Tally, right?
Okay.
Okay. So now in the Secura, you can see this one more mode. Now I will show you the private area mode. Before I save the private area, we also provide you Secura File Explorer. Like we have a Windows Explorer, we have provide you Secura File Explorer. In Secura File Explorer, you can see the same data like I can see in my computer. Okay.
Okay.
So Secura File Explorer, the another advantage here, we provide you the important data like you have some files, like I have a demo test folder, which is marked as a ransomware protected. I mark as a ransomware protection.
Okay.
Because of that, right now I can access from Secura, but I can't access outside of the Secura. You can see data is not accessible.
Okay.
Okay, but I can access through the Secura.
Okay.
Okay, so that additional feature we will provide you. You can secure your additional data also in Secura.
So
Okay.
data, I mean, data is data. How do you call it additional data? I mean, you mean to say
Other than tally data. Perfect.
data other than tally?
Tally, other than tally data. This is the
And
right
what
word.
was the size you mentioned I can have on cloud?
5
How
GB
much?
space. 5 GB space. 5
5
GB.
GB space.
Yes, sir.
Now that I have about say 5 or 7 years of data on Tally, I want to keep that secure and load it on chain.
Yeah, you can do that.
Do you think that will suffice, or
Yes, sir. How much data you have? Might be a 50
I have
MB,
not- I have
5,
not valid- I have
maximum
not
100
seen-
MB, sir.
I have not seen anything. I'm just generally asking you. I will have to check with Mr. Tejas because he is the one who takes care of my.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Because see,
So-
even in our office, we have a 10
Yes.
year of tally data and we have a 11 companies, sir. Okay. Still our data size is 450 MB.
Fine. Then it's okay.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to know.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's not a big problem, sir.
So I don't think it should be a problem, as you said.
Okay. Yeah, so we also provide this ransomware protection additional feature also. Okay. Now
sir.
we also provide you one more feature. Suppose you want to put some of the data is secret, hide. Okay. So what you can do, you can go start that private area mode. So in our application, we also provide you the private area section. So I will show you right now. Okay. You can see the private area section.
Okay.
When I click on the private area, I need to enter the private area password. And I will enable the private area and I apply. Now it will ask me to log in again. Now
Okay.
I'm logged into the private area. Now when I logged into the private area, you can see the symbol here, private area symbol.
Okay.
Okay. And let me start. Okay. So you can see the private area icon here, upside.
Okay.
Now, when I go to the cloud module, I can, let me go to the cloud first. Okay, you can see the cloud module.
Okay.
So now I will show you some of the data which is I marked as a private. You previously you weren't able to see, but now you can see so many files. You can see so many files, data files.
Okay.
So now you can see that that symbol is private area symbol. So these many files are available only for the private area, not the public area.
Okay.
Okay. Then one more feature, we also provide you that, okay, suppose you've done some entries and in by mistake your data is deleted, or you deleted 1 or 2 entry and you want the backup of the previous day.
Okay.
Or 2 days before or 5 days before.
Huh.
Then what you need to do, you need to just click on here, version manager, and you can see all the version of the files previously you have created here, date wise.
So I can opt for any date and take a backup of that. given date.
Yes, sir. You can restore the data from that data, sir. Date, sir. And you can see what you have done at that date.
No, till that date it will appear. That's how you mean.
Yes, sir.
So the data after that will again have to be refreshed, or I can just simply see till that date and then.
Yes. You can extract the data in any folder first, and then you can check the data and you can delete the data if you want to.
Okay.
Okay. So that feature is also there, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So any more question now? Anybody has a question?
I don't know if you have too many people online at the moment. I am probably discussing it with you.
Yeah, that's what. Mr.
And,
Sagar, you have a question?
No, sir.
And Mr. Bharat? Mr. Bharat?
I think he has lost connection with you, sir.
Nanda?
Hello, Mr. Modi.
Yes, I'm there.
No, this is Anil Anand again. I don't think other people are there on
Might be
the.
they were facing an issue with the mic or something like that.
It must be they are facing some issue. So what I wanted to know is,
Yes, sir.
here what you have done is quite a bit on a rapid speed, in the sense that even though I see the screens, I'm unfortunately seeing everything on my mobile.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Hence, they are all very miniaturized, and I am hardly able to read anything on them. So
Okay.
I would like to have a clear this thing on my PC, which probably will give me a better vision of things. I am able to understand